Hi everybody. So we are here with my April 2026 self-imposed yarn club, self-imposed sock yarn club. I think I call it something different every single time, don't I? Anyway, we're ready to pick what yarn I'm going to use for April. I'm almost done my March socks, so hopefully I'll have them finished within a day or two and I can cast on April while we're still at the beginning of April. So I'm going to close my eyes and grope around in here. I think I want that one. So I'll put the rest of this away till May. So what do I have besides all kinds of stuff up in the corner of my screen? Let's get a little bit closer. Alrighty, so here we are. What do we have for April? Excuse the crinkling, but that's part of the fun. Ooh, it's not a white border or white contrast today. Oh my gosh, that is gorgeous. So it's Rising Tide Fiber. She's down in Maryland, and she does a lot of the 50-gram yarns and also does a lot with the coordinating mini. So this is here for the halftime show. I don't think this was one of the Christmas Advent ones from last year or the year before. Year before, I think I had them. 24. I don't think that's one of those, but this is here for the halftime show. So it's Talbot fingering, 75-25. It's what she calls a half sock set. So 75% superwash merino, 25% nylon, and it's 230 yards. This is for the 50-gram. Will be for the 50-gram, and 92 yards for the 20-gram. I'm excited to get these caked up and get started. I have to get a wiggle on and get the other set done. I've done a couple pair of socks with her yarn before. I love her yarn. I love the color choices she has. So I'm excited to have a pair of socks that are not going to have white toes and heels. This is going to be fun to have a different color for the toes and heels. Alrighty, thank you for joining me, and stay tuned because I'm hoping I can show you this cast on with my regular episode on Saturday. We shall see. Alrighty, thanks for joining me, and I will see you again very soon. Bye now.